St. Petersburg, Tampa Bay residents can expect to be spared the worst effects of a significant line of storms that extends from northeast Florida out into the eastern Gulf of Mexico, according to the National Weather Service. However, while most effects will reach to the northwest, Pasco, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties will still experience thunderstorms and heavy rains starting between 6:08 and p.m. Based on the speed of the storm, meteorologist Mark Austin said.
There's definitely going to be some lightning and thunder and some heavy rain, Austin said. The main thing we're worried about with these storms is strong, potentially damaging, wind gusts.
While the likelihood of those 50 to 60 miles per hour winds hitting Tampa Bay is low, Austin said people should keep an eye out just in case the storm turns. Winds of that magnitude could down trees and cause other significant damage. There are currently no warnings for the area, Austin said.
Tampa Bay is on the southern periphery of the storms, which are moving up toward Georgia. The region is at marginal risk of severe weather, Austin said.
The storm is expected to pass somewhere between 10 and 11 p.m., Austin said.